Namaskar everyone. Dear students, this lesson is for the students of BA, BCom and BSc Part 1, Subject General English. And in today's lesson, we are going to take up one of the topics from Unit D in your syllabus, and the title of that Unit D is Compositional Skills. In this section, you are supposed to compose something or write something in English like letter writing, CV, resume or job application writing. And the third one is paragraph writing. Let's take up first the paragraph writing. Dear students, although ये topic आपके लिए एक नया topic नहीं है, you have been studying this topic, you have been writing paragraphs in your previous classes at the school level, but still there are some questions which are still unanswered. Whenever I teach this topic, I have so many questions from my students, and these questions are like, what is the perfect paragraph format and how many steps are involved to write a paragraph, basically how to write a good paragraph. इसके अतिरिक्त भी एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा है जो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में आ रहा होगा, how many sentences are included in a paragraph, and there may be more questions like these. So this lesson will try to give the answers to all these questions. But there is a strong recommendation. Dear students, please आप अपनी नोटबुक और पेन रेडी रखिए ताकि आप वे सभी पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन कर सकें और you can revise them later on. So in this lesson, we will learn what is a paragraph and what is a basic format for paragraph writing and how many types of paragraph are there and how to write a perfect paragraph. So there are 3 simple steps to compose a good paragraph. So please listen carefully. Let's begin the lesson. पैराग्राफ क्या है ये आप सभी जानते हैं, परंतु क्या हम पैराग्राफ को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि वाकई सही अर्थों में एक अच्छा पैराग्राफ क्या है? So we can say for that a paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent. And above all are related to a single topic. यानी एक पैराग्राफ बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस का ग्रुप है और ये सभी सेंटेंसेस एक केंद्रीय टॉपिक या केंद्रीय विषय से संबंधित होते हैं, उसी से रिलेटेड होते हैं. इन्हें एक सुनियोजित तरीके से एक क्रमबद्ध रूप में रखा जाता है. Basically, a paragraph should be well structured or these sentences should be well structured in a paragraph. So, इन sentences को क्रमबद्ध रूप में किस प्रकार रखा जाए, किस प्रकार उस paragraph में एक coherence बने, इसके लिए आप ध्यान दीजिए. सबसे पहले कुछ topic sentences लिखे जाएं. After that, some supporting sentences should be there. Supporting sentences से तात्पर्य है the sentences which you write down while supporting the argument or the thought or the logic which you are extending while writing that paragraph. And there should be some concluding sentences also. Concluding sentences से तात्पर्य है कि आपने तक उस paragraph में जो भी thoughts और ideas express किए हैं उन्हें conclude करते हुए उस paragraph को एक overall structure दिया जाए. So basically a paragraph can be divided into 3 parts. In the first part you introduce the topic. In the second part you support or you present the arguments or logics or ideas related to that. And in the third part you conclude your ideas. एक और स्पेशल पॉइंट आप नोटिस कीजिए, इसे आप नोट डाउन भी कर सकते हैं. पैराग्राफ राइटिंग से तात्पर्य सिर्फ किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ एक्सप्रेस करना या अपने विचार अभिव्यक्त करना नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्ट्रक्चरिंग आइडियाज़ इन अ क्लियर फॉर्मेट टू मेक द रीडर fall in love with the topic and continue their studying till to an end of that topic. So in other words we can say किसी भी टॉपिक पर पैराग्राफ लिखते समय आपका फोकस उसकी क्वालिटी और उसके फ्लो पर होना चाहिए rather than the word count, because this is not the word count that is important. What's more important? The importance is of maintaining the quality and flow of the paragraph. That's why paragraphs are often thought of as a unit of thought. So we can conclude from the discussion we had that a paragraph explains one idea in detail and supports the expansion of an overall topic for the essay. And what about its length? Well, the paragraph length will vary based on the purpose of the paragraph. So maybe in your examination you will find the word count limit, and it might be like that write down a paragraph on this topic in 150 to 200 words. So if there is no word count, then you can write down approximately 150 to 200 words. That is an ideal length, we can say. Now let's talk something about parts of a paragraph. Basically यह कहा जा सकता है कि किसी भी बेसिक पैराग्राफ के 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं: a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. So often the topic sentence is the first sentence of a paragraph, जिसे आप एक प्रकार से introduction भी कह सकते हैं. इस topic sentence में उस paragraph का main idea बताया जाता है. A special point to be noted in the context of this topic sentence is that all consequent points presented in the paragraph must support this topic sentence. संभवतः यही कारण है कि पैराग्राफ का अग्रिम भाग सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स लिए होता है. That means the supporting sentences explain more about the topic sentence by showing some facts, stats, or examples regarding the topic related to the topic. It also includes the writer's experience and own analysis and used to develop the topic sentence. So the following are some common origins of supporting details, like you can give some expert opinion about that topic, or you can extend some facts and statistics, and you can also write down something about your personal experience related to that topic or other people's experiences, and you can give a brief story. But the point is, all these things should be related to the main idea of that paragraph. Now comes the third part of that paragraph, and this is the concluding part or the concluding sentence. It is the end of that paragraph, which is also known as final statement about the topic. And its main function is, इसका प्रमुख कार्य है अभी तक पैराग्राफ में जो भी आइडियाज एक्सप्रेस किए गए हैं उन्हें एक सूत्र में बांधना और उस पैराग्राफ के मेन आइडिया को एक बार फिर से एम्फसाइज करना. और भी अधिक स्पष्ट रूप से कहें तो द राइटर यूजुअली रीस्टेट्स द टॉपिक सेंटेंस or summarizes the main points of the paragraph. So far in this lesson, we have learned what is a paragraph and what is a basic paragraph format to write effective paragraphs on single topic. So let me just quickly tell you about this topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. So a topic sentence is just like the title of a paragraph. It describes what the paragraph is about and what the paragraph aims to achieve. Thus, a topic sentence expresses the controlling idea that determines the nature of the remaining paragraph. As far as the second point is concerned, that is related to the supporting details. And these details are those details that vividly tell us more about the topic. And these details concretize, illustrate, explain, or support the main topic or focus of the paragraph. Now it's time to conclude the concluding sentence. A concluding sentence brings the description to an interesting close and emphasizes the main idea or topic. It lends a sense of completion to the description. So I hope it's quite clear what is a paragraph and what is the basic structure of a paragraph. This knowledge about paragraph will help you a lot in deciding how will you write a paragraph. In fact, how you can write a good paragraph. Now in the next part of this lesson, we will know what are types of paragraph and what are important or major elements in a paragraph that you should keep in your mind while developing the thought while writing that paragraph. So stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you for joining. Happy learning.